Every single species on this planet spent millions of years adapting to Earth. Fish developed gills. Birds evolved hollow bones. Polar bears grew thick fur to survive the freezing Arctic. And then there's us. We are the only species that burns in our own sunlight. Our spines are literally falling apart. We give birth in a process so violent it kills us more than any other mammal. What if the reason we don't fit on Earth is because we're not from here? Think about it. Lizards, dogs, and horses sit in direct sunlight for hours. Their fur, scales, and pigmentation are perfectly calibrated for our star. Ours isn't. We invented a chemical paste just to walk outside without getting skin cancer. We invented sunscreen because our own sun is trying to kill us. Now, look at your back. 80% of humans will experience chronic back pain. When 4 out of 5 members of a species share the same structural failure, you stop blaming the individual and look at the blueprint. Our spines are a horizontal bridge that evolution tried to stand upright. The discs compress under gravity in ways they were never meant to handle. Kangaroos and ostriches don't have this issue. They were built from the ground up for standing. We were retrofitted badly. Then there's childbirth. Human birth is the most dangerous delivery process on the planet. Our babies' heads are so massive they barely fit through the birth canal. Before modern medicine, it was a leading cause of death for women. A horse gives birth in 30 minutes and the foal walks within the hour. A human baby is completely useless and helpless for years. Even our immune systems are broken. About 30% of the population has severe allergies. Your body regularly goes to war against harmless things like pollen, peanuts, and dust. Either evolution made a huge mistake or your body is calibrated for somewhere else entirely. But the strangest part is inside your head, existential dread. No other animal knows it's going to die. Dogs don't lie awake wondering what happens after death. But we do. We build entire civilizations and religions just to cope with the terror of mortality. What survival advantage does this anxiety provide? None. It drives us to madness. Look at how we treat the planet. Every species exists in a closed-loop balance with its ecosystem, except us. We clear-cut forests, poison rivers, and destroy the atmosphere. We behave exactly like an invasive species dropped onto a world it wasn't built for. In 1973, Nobel Prize winner Francis Crick proposed directed Panspermia, the theory that life on Earth was deliberately seeded by an intelligent alien civilization. Mainstream biology blames evolutionary mismatch, arguing our brains just evolved way too fast. We went from sharpened rocks to nuclear weapons and space travel in a geological blink. No other species has ever accelerated like this. So, what's the truth? If we are from here, we are the strangest, most broken thing this planet has ever produced. But if we're not from here, then we've been trying to find our way back home for 200,000 years, and we don't even know it.